In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious spicy salsa matcha. Beginning with our ingredients, I'm using 15 chile japones, 15 chile de arbol. You can use the same of each if you like. I'm doing different because of the spiciness. We're going to use 2 garlic cloves, some anjojoli, which is sesame seed, about a tablespoon of that. Salt, I will be using about a teaspoon. And we are going to need some oil. I will be using peanut oil for this recipe. So here you want to dice your garlic. This will make it easier to blend when we are getting ready to blend it with our chilies. In this pan, I added some oil. I let it get hot, and we are going to add in our chilies. These chilies are going to get toasted. You want to not burn them. The way you will know that they are toasted is when the aroma starts coming out and the color barely changes. The way you see here. And then just set it aside, add some more oil, and we're gonna toast the garlic. The garlic will release that aroma also when it's done. You're going to remove this, add more oil, and we're going to toast our anjojoli, which is the sesame seed. Once that's done, we are ready for the blender. Toss in all your chilies, toss in your garlic, toss in your sesame seed. And add in your salt. I'm going to add just a little bit of oil to blend, but you will see that once you're blending, if it's not blending, just go ahead and start adding oil until it blends well, until you get this delicious salsa. Use it for anything, pretty much anything. I used it for some delicious birria and tacos de birria.